Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Debbie Sherwood. Debbie's running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Debbie. So today I wanted to talk to you about town growth. A lot of people have concerns about the size of the town, and pretty much the concerns are about the size and where it's going to be in 5 to 10 years. Where do you see the town in 5 to 10 years, and what do you think we need to do to get there?
Oh, thank you, Bradley. The town's official plan was last approved in 2013, and so we need to ensure we update the current official plan, which must accommodate the county's official plan and the growth plan mandated by the province. The town could be reaching build out within 10 years, as we only have about 1,800 future lots available based on the 2015 official plan review. Our sewage treatment plant was recently expanded and can currently accommodate the forecast in the study of 36,490 in population by the year 2036, our anticipated build-out year. The target of our remaining land must be mindful of the provincial policy in the growth plan, which states that residential intensification target must be 50% within the build boundary. We must also ensure that lands are used for employment growth. As long as we have employment lands, we can provide jobs to our community. We need a reasonable balance of residential and industrial and commercial growth, and we must move forward with the land needs study and official plan review that was presented to Council in 2016 and ensure we are heading in the right direction for growth. That study indicates there is sufficient industrial, commercial, and institutional lands to meet the growth requirements of the town to the build-out year 2036. The upper tier and provincial governments set policies, and therefore they have direct influence on our growth and after build-out, before and after. So for example, annexing lands from our neighbors or working on development within our own boundaries. Currently, the residential taxpayers pay 78% of the approved budget, and the remaining industrial commercial classes pay 22%. I would like to work towards seeing the residential taxpayers paying less and the other classes paying more to help the burden on the residential class. We can only do this if we move forward with an updated official plan.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for giving us your insight into this. And certainly, if you'd like to see more of what Debbie has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks for watching.